Welcome you all in Commerce Caliber. After watching this video, you will be able to understand the concept of management accounting and its nature. Management accounting is a combination of two words, that is management and accounting. Management is the art of getting things done through others. Managers has to plan, organize, coordinate, direct and control the various activities of the business with the main aim of achieving the objectives of that organization. Accounting is the art of recording, classifying and summarizing business transactions in a systematic manner, transactions which are of financial character with the objective to know the operating efficiency of a business at the end of a particular period, for which two main documents are produced, that is profit and loss account and balance sheet. Profit and loss account shows the operating efficiency of a business during a particular period of time. Means it shows कि जो बिजनेस है उसने प्रॉफिट कमाया है या उसको लॉस इनकर हुआ है, तो वो प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट शो करता है. Balance sheet shows the financial position of the business on a particular point of time. Means balance sheet से हमें ये पता चलता है कि what are the various assets of the company and what are the various liabilities on a particular point of time. So far as we have studied the concept of financial accounting and cost accounting. So due to the deficiencies of financial accounting and cost accounting, managerial accounting was developed. So management is basically concerned with managerial aspect of accounting. Manager wants to know what are their manager wants to know what are the areas where there is need of modification of policies, where there is need of controlling. So for that they want information. Now the question arises from where that information should come. So these informations are provided by the financial accounting to the management accounting, and cost accounting also provides information to the management. Now the problem is that information provided by financial accounting and cost accounting are just alike a heap of information के ढेर लगा हुआ है, उसमें बहुत सारी इंफॉर्मेशन है. बट अब मैनेजमेंट को वो सारे ढेर से मतलब नहीं है, उनको कुछ स्पेसिफिक इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए जिसके बेसिस पे वो डिसीजन ले सके. सो इसलिए फिर मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग जो है वो डेवलप की गई कि उसमें हम स्पेसिफिकली उन चीज़ों को फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग या कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग से रीडिजाइंड फॉर्म में लेते हैं. कई बार उनको अलग तरीकों में ग्रुपिंग की जाती है, अलग अलग क्लासेस में क्लासिफाई किया जाता है ताकि मैनेजमेंट उससे कोई साउंड और कंक्रीट डिसीजन ले सके. सो देयरफॉर वी कैन से कि मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग इज दैट एस्पेक्ट ऑफ अकाउंटिंग विच डील्स विद द decision making, and for taking decision every management needs certain information. So management accounting is that tool, or you can say that techniques which provides those information in a modified form. Now the nature of management accounting. Number one, it provides accounting information. As stated earlier, कि financial accounting provides information. वो हमें ये बताता है कि पिछले साल ये हमारी परफॉर्मेंस थी. अब मैनेजमेंट को ये करना है कि वो जो पिछले साल परफॉर्मेंस थी वो ऐसे क्यों आई. सो इसलिए फिर दे ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट कॉज एंड अफेक्ट एनालिसिस. सपोज करो एक कंपनी है, उसकी जो सेल्स है वो हर साल इंक्रीज हो रही है, बट देयर प्रॉफिट इज डिक्रीजिंग एवरी ईयर. नाउ दे विल फाइंड टू एनालाइज the statements of financial accounting, or you can say cost accounting, to find out the causes due to which they are not able to earn sufficient profit irrespective of increase in sales. So इसके लिए जैसे हमारे पास टूल्स हैं, रेशो एनालिसिस है, देन कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट बनाते हैं, फंड्स फंड फ्लो स्टेटमेंट बनाते हैं, स्टेटमेंट एनालिसिस किया जाता है। सो बहुत से टेक्निक्स हैं जिनको लगाकर हम कॉज ढूंढ सकते हैं कि इसकी वजह से, जैसे कि कंपनी की जो कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन है हर साल इंक्रीज हो रही है, तो उसकी वजह से उनका जो प्रॉफिट का मार्जिन वो रिड्यूस हो रहा है। सो इट मे बी वन ऑफ द कॉज। देन कम्स द यूज ऑफ स्पेशल टेक्निक्स। मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग में वी ट्राई टू यूज स्टैंडर्ड कॉस्टिंग, बजटरी कॉस्टिंग, प्रॉफिट वॉल्यूम एनालिसिस, cost volume analysis. So there are so many techniques which are used by the management accounting to make its operations efficiently, or you can say profitable. Then achieving objective. Every organization comes into existence for the achievement of certain objectives. Now these objectives may be economic or it may be non-economic. So whatsoever is the nature of objectives, for that they have to take decision, and for taking decisions they have to formulate various policies, they have to make the future plans on the basis of which they can achieve their objectives. No fixed norms. In financial accounting we have to follow certain standards, like you can say GAAP, generally accepted accounting principles. हाँ, जब भी हम अकाउंट्स रिकॉर्ड करते हैं तो हमें वो रूल्स फॉलो करने पड़ते हैं, जिसको हम कभी कंसेप्ट्स कहते हैं, प्रिंसिपल्स कहते हैं, कस्टम्स कहते हैं, कन्वेंशंस कहते हैं। बट देयर इज नो सच रूल इन मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग, बिकॉज द मेन पर्पस ऑफ मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग इज जस्ट to provide those information which are needed for the effective implementation of their policies, so they can abstract from the cost accounting or management financial accounting the information which are needed by the management. Next point is increase in efficiency. If a business is managed properly, cause and effect analysis have been done, we have tried the various special techniques, we have organizing our business affairs in such a manner that we are in a position to increase the overall efficiency of the business. So therefore we can say that management accounting is that technique of accounting which makes management possible to increase its efficiency by finding timely problems and taking corrective decisions.